back again. أنا رجعت. So today we'll explain the word of I am back. أنا رجعت. But also we'll explain the words that are similar in pronunciation with the word أنا أرجع, means to be back, is present tense, and أنا رجعت is past tense. So the first word is أنا أرجع, to come back. The second word is أنا أرجع. أرجع means to return something or to vomit. And the third word is أنا أراجع. أراجع means to do revision or to revise. So I'll give you some examples with the first word, which was أنا أرجع, to come back. For example, I want to say I will be back tomorrow at home. أنا برجع البيت باكر. And if you want to ask someone when you will be back, متى بترجع for male, and for female متى بترجعين, and plural متى بترجعون. So that was the word to be back as a person. But now أرجع, to return things back. So for example, you want to say I have to return the book to the library. You will say in Arabic لازم أرجع الكتاب المكتبة. And then the same word أرجع, but it has another meaning, which is to vomit. Because when you vomit, and sorry I'm saying this word, disgusting, I know, but we have to explain it to you. So you know the difference between أرجع and أرجع. It's both in pronunciation and writing the same. But the first one, as we said, is to return things. The second one is to vomit, because when you vomit, you bring all the food like back. So that makes sense. Okay, forget about this part now. And the last word is أراجع, as we said, to do revision. So for example, if you want to say 24 hours I do revision, 24 ساعة أراجع. Or if you want to say I have to revise my lessons, لازم أراجع دروسي. So now you know the difference between أرجع, أرجع, and أراجع. Thank you for watching. As usual, don't forget your comments, subscribe and like, because your comments means a lot to us. Thank you very much. مع السلامة.